In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common issue of Google Drive can't scan this file for viruses. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. The first step is to access your Google Drive. So open your favorite web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed into the right Google account where your files are stored. Sometimes we forget if we have multiple accounts, and it's really important to be in the correct one to locate your files. Once you're in Google Drive, it's time to locate the specific file that you want to download. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. If you're looking for a specific document, for instance, you might want to preview it first to make sure you've selected the right version. You could do this by clicking on the file, which will bring up a preview window. It's a good practice, especially if you have similar files stored. Now that you've found the file you want, it's time to start the download. You can initiate this by clicking on the download button, which is usually represented by a downward-facing arrow. After you click that, you'll notice a status message indicating that Google Drive is scanning the file. This scan is a safety feature that Google uses to protect you from potentially harmful content. However, if the file is particularly large, you may encounter a message saying that Google Drive can't scan this file for viruses. I know that can be a little alarming, but there's no need to panic. This warning is quite common, especially for larger files. Google has a built-in scanning limit, and anything beyond that can't be checked. So now let's discuss what you should do next. Despite the warning, you can go ahead and still download the file. Simply look for the option to proceed with the download and click it. It's completely normal for large files to bypass the scanning process. Just remember that if you're downloading something from a source you don't trust, it's good to be extra cautious. After clicking to continue the download, your file should start downloading to your device. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this could take a little bit of time. You'll usually see the download progress at the bottom of your browser window. And that's it. You've successfully dealt with the Google Drive can't scan this file for viruses message. Now you can open your downloaded file once it completes and continue working without any interruptions. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder. Always ensure you're downloading files from reputable sources, even if the warning seems a bit frustrating. It's better to err on the side of caution. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video if you did. See you in the next one, where we'll tackle another tech challenge together.